First, we'll make a giraffe. So write a 9 like this and then draw the lines around it to make the giraffe. Draw its legs. Now make a tail on the back of the giraffe like this. Color its legs. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. Draw its ears. Now make different patterns on its body as shown in the video. Color it using yellow and brown color, and your giraffe is almost ready. Next, we'll be making a cute puppy. So for that, you have to make the shape like this. Now make a neckband on its neck, draw its face, draw its eyes, nose, and then draw its legs as shown in the video. Now draw a cute tail on the back of the dog. Now color it as shown in the video, and your cute dog will be ready. Next, we'll be making a cute carrot and a cute bunny. Write a tree like this. Now draw the ears of the bunny on the top and then make its legs. Draw its cute tail on the back. Make a carrot on its hands like this. Make the leaf of the carrot. Draw the eyes, nose and mouth of the bunny. Now color the bunny and the carrot as shown in the video, and your cute painting will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw a circle on the sheet. Now draw the ears of it like this. Now make the body of the dog. Draw its legs like this. Draw the line. Outline it like this. Make the fur on the back of it. Make a cute tail. Draw its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Make the tail on its back. Make a bell on its neck like this. Now color it using blue color, and your dog is ready. Next, we'll be making a seahorse. So write a tree like this and then outline it as shown in the video. Make the lines on this front as we are making. Make its mouth, eyes. Draw the designs on the back of it as we are making. Outline it carefully as shown. Make the lines on its back and then join it like this. After that, we will color it using blue color, and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.